Hello and welcome to Braziliandiy. I'm ADRIANADAY, and today's video is an unboxing review of JOVS 4D Laser Light Therapy Mask. And if you want to know everything about this device, it's very simple. Just keep it watching. Simple like that. If you follow my channel, you probably heard me talking about light therapy. Every time after microneedle in my face, for example, I like to finish the treatment with light therapy. But all the light therapy products I own uses LED light, and JOVS 4D masks uses FPT light, which stands for Focused Photothermal Therapy. And I was just like you. What the heck is FPT? So according to the website, JOVS has worked with research and development optical solutions expert to invent FPT, Focused Photothermal Therapy. Through the research, they worked on a new optical component that improves light utilization, creating a chip that is able to use FPT technology with high energy red light and near infrared light, making them 6 times more powerful than LED light. That sounds good to me. Now let's talk about the benefits of using this mask. It reduces wrinkles in just 4 weeks, improves skin tone, suitable for all skin tones, skin brightening, calm redness, anti-aging, wrinkle reduction, smooth fine lines, increase firmness, improve dark circles, and diminish blemishes. What else do you want, my friend? It has everything, and I'm very excited to test this mask and give you the feedback. But now let's call the start of the show.
Okay, 1 minute of silence for this gorgeous packaging. You guys know I'm all about packaging, and this one exceeds my expectations. This case is so pretty and elegant, and for me, when a company put money and time to create such a quality packaging, it means to me that the company definitely put money and time to create a quality product. Well, we're not. I bought expensive stuff in the past that wasn't worth a penny, so maybe it doesn't apply to all. Inside the box we have the mask itself. JOVS made this mask with a nanomolecular food-grade silicone to reduce irritation and safeness, and I gotta tell you, this mask is so soft on the face. It also has a very lightweight clippable control with 3 different auto timing in 3 different modes. It comes with a manual, warranty card, and a Type-C cable. I love how convenient this mask is. I can walk around the house, do my chores, and not to worry about being stuck in an outlet. It gives you freedom to maximize your time, and I really love products that allow me to do other things and use my precious times better. So thank you, JOVS! JOVS offers 3 different auto times to choose from. T1 is for 10 minutes of treatment, T2 is for 15 minutes of treatment, and T3 is for 20 minutes of treatment. Mode options. You have 3 different mode options to choose from. M1 boosts circulation and improves skin texture, M2 is skin brightening, and M3 anti-aging. And guys, if you check the website before and after pictures, you can see the results are pretty visible and pretty amazing. I put some of the pictures here, see for yourself. Okay, this part I thought it was really cool. So JOVS 4D mask has 140 light beams with precise distribution of light waves, and they are distributed in 4 parts with 4 different wavelengths. On the forehead, it uses 850 nm to treat wrinkles. Under your eyes, it uses 660 nm to brighten dark circles. And on the cheeks, it uses 940 nm for redness and dull skin. And for nasal label folds and crossfit, it uses 1064 nm for fine lines. Okay, a little educational fact. NM stands for nanometer. The physical thermal wavelength determines the color of a laser source and is specified in unit nm or nanometer. You're gonna start off by washing your face and leaving it clean from any product. Also make sure that your face is completely dry. Then place the mask in the face and adjust the strap to fit. Now grab the controller, long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. Short press the timing key to adjust care time. Then go ahead, choose your mode. There are 3 modes to choose from. Press the plus to increase and the minus to decrease. Once you adjust the settings that suit you better, it's only relax and enjoy the process. When the treatment is over, the machine shuts down automatically. After the treatment is done, go ahead and finish the whole process with your skincare routine, always making sure that the skin is hydrated afterwards. Charge is very simple. It has a Type-C changing port, so you will connect the cord to the changing port located on a remote control. And when connected to the power cord, the remote stays off and unable to turn it on during the charging. When the remote control indicator is flashing red, it means that it's charging. And when it's solid white, it means that it's fully charged. To ensure that you have your mask for a long time, care is very important. So to avoid damage and accumulation of dust, make sure to store your mask in its case after use. Most of the time I don't feel like it needs to be cleaned, but if you feel like it's time to do it, dumping a dust-free cloth or a non-woven fabric with clean water and clean the areas with dust. Please don't wash with running water or spray any other product. That's the only way it can be cleaned. Basically, you can use this mask every day, even twice a day if you want, as long as the total time do not exceed 30 minutes. My plan is to use it 10 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes before bedtime. And guys, this mask, it's so comfortable to use it, even the highest level. But if you're not comfortable, just start from the lowest setting and work your way up. By the way, JOVS do recommend to test on your face for 1 minute, and if there's no discomfort, you can go ahead and do the treatment normally. But please don't forget to test first. Even though this product is suitable for all skin tones, it's not for everyone or for every part of your body. I know people have crazy ideas out there, but this mask is intended for the face only. Do not try to use in some other parts, please. Also, the following individuals are not suitable for using this product, and insisting on using may lead to accident or skin-related issues, and they are:
Now the good stuff. JOVS offer free shipping worldwide, 90 days money back guarantee, and 1 year worry-free warranty. And that's it for today, guys. And I'll be using the mask every day for 10 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes before bedtime. Since the website says that you can start see results in only 4 weeks, I'll come after 4 weeks to see if there's any improvement and do that check with you guys, okay? Sounds good? And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff that doesn't cost anything to you and is very important to me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.